On one hand, I'm very excited and I feel really honored. On the other, I feel like I'm still the best of my films, I hope, is in front of me, in front of us. We kind of open a new chapter. We start to co-directing together. We don't need any introductions. We don't need anything. I mean, we know what we want to achieve. We know how the scene should look like and what the scene should be about. It's always just straight to the point.
The reason why we're here, it's probably caused by this kind of relation in terms of creativity, inspiration, sensitivity.
And I have to say, I mag you. The Bavarians say, I mock you. I mag your films.
It's a kind of a journey. I wish it's not. It's just the beginning.
Congratulations. Okay, thank you very much.